Let's now take up the problem number 37 in your textbook. The problem number 37 of your textbook says that a particle of mass 100 gram at an initial speed u collides with another particle of same mass at rest. So initial condition is very well defined, and 100 gram is equal to 0.1 kg. Let us make this conversion at the very beginning. So problem statement is there is a body of 0.1 kg moves with a velocity u, and there is another body of same mass 0.1 kg, but its velocity u2 is equal to 0. It is at rest. So they collide, and after collision, what will happen? After collision velocities, we do not know. This is 0.1 kg. The velocity, say, is v1, and there another mass of 0.1. The problem says something different. If the total kinetic energy becomes 0.2 joule after collision, that is, after collision, the total kinetic is 0.2 J, 0.2 joule. And they want us to find out what could be the minimum and maximum values of U. That is this initial velocity U. What could be the minimum value of initial velocity U of the first body? That the loss of energy is 0.2 G. And what could be the maximum value of U so that the loss of energy is 0.2 G? So let us start solving the problem. Once again, from the theory of conservation of momentum, right? The momentum of first body is 0.1 into U, 0.1 U. Momentum of the second body is 0. After collision, their momentums are respectively 0.1 V1 plus 0.1. From here, we clearly get that V1 plus V2 is equal to all this 0.1 gets cancelled. V1 plus V2 is equal to, this is one thing we get. Let us say this is, let's say this is equation on the relation we have got. Now, let us find out, and what is the coefficient of a restitution? E. Relative velocity of separation divided by But here, what is the relative velocity of separation? Is V2 minus V1. V2 minus V1. What is the relative velocity of approach? What has a velocity U, other has velocity 0. So it is 0. From here we get V minus V1 is equal to next step will not be very difficult. You can already apprehend what I am going to do. I am going to do equation 1 plus equation 2. If you do equation 1 plus equation 2, we have 2V2 by 1 plus E. From there we get by 2 into can easily apprehend what I am going to do next. I am now going to subtract the two equations. Equation 1 minus 2. If we do equation 1 minus 2, we get 2V1 and minus E. From here, we easily get V1 is equal to U by minus E. Here, now what is given? The final kinetic energy is 0.2 J. So, by the problem, kinetic energy final kinetic energy. What is the final kinetic energy? Half into mass of the first body is 0.1, half m v1 square plus half mass of the second body is also 0.1 into v square. This is given as 0.2 joule by the problem. Right? From here we get that 0.1 by 2. So from here we get 0.05 multiplied by v1 square plus square is equal to 0.2. So from there we get 1 square plus v2 square to 0.2 by 0.05, 0.2 by 0.05. This is equal to this is equation 3. We already have the values of V1 and V2 here. And if we put these values of V1 and V2 here, what do you get? In the values of, which let me write it this way, in V1 above, what we get? V1 is this U by 2, 1 plus E. So we have u square by 4 into 1 is 2 by 2, 1 minus e, 1 minus e square plus another u square by 4 by 2 is 1 plus e, 1 plus e whole square. This is equal to, from there we can get, u square is 4, 4. When it's multiplied by 4, it gets 16. So we get u square into 1 minus e square plus 1 plus e square 16. Now, from there we get now what is this? 1 minus e square plus 1 plus e square is equal to plus e square multiplied by 2 is equal to 16. So from there we get u square and 16, what we are left with 8 divided by 1 plus e. This is the value of u square. And u will be under root this. Now the question we have to find out the mean and maximum values of u. Now it is no more difficult to find out the minimum and maximum values of u. So from here you can write u will be minimum when this denominator is maximum. That means E is maximum. And what is the maximum value of E? Maximum value of E is 1. U will be when E is maximum, that is E is equal to L. U is equal to 8 by 1. So this is the sorry, there is a little mistake here. Minimum and maximum got mixed up. When E is equal to 1, so this is the minimum when E is equal to 1. So U minimum equal to 8 by 1 plus 1 is equal to, that is U minimum is equal to 2. And what is U maximum? Maximum when E is the minimum, when E is the value of E is 0. So maximum is equal to 1 is equal to maximum whole square. So there was a square here, I forgot to write. U maximum whole square is 8 is equal to 8. Maximum value of U is 2 root 2, which is approximately 2.8 meter per second, and the minimum value of U is only 2 meter per second. So that's how you solve this problem. Next, we shall take the next problem.